Hey guys, we're gonna be making Leche Flan. It's a Filipino food, and before that, yesterday, my mom cut my bangs. My mom cut my hair, but I asked her to. I wanted to have bangs because I just wanted to have bangs. For the ingredients of the Leche Flan, you need 8 full eggs and 8 egg yolks, 2 cans of evaporated milk, 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk, vanilla extract, lemon zest. For the caramel, we need a half cup of water and 2 cups of sugar. To make caramel, mix the water and the sugar and heat it until it's caramelized. We heat the mixture of sugar and water until it caramelizes. Beat the eggs until the white is gone. We're gonna add sweetened condensed milk and mix thoroughly. Next, we're gonna add 2 cans of evaporated milk. We're gonna mix it thoroughly. Next, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then add lemon zest. Then we'll mix thoroughly. Then we will strain the mixture. Turn it up. On my experience of cooking, it's sometimes hard and easy. You can make it hard by grumbling and just making it hard for yourself. You can make it easy by doing it and being happy about it and also enjoying it. It's relaxing. Then put the caramel in the baking pans. That's it. Pour the mixture on top of the caramel. Next, we're going to cover them with foil. We're gonna put it in a 1-inch water bath. We're gonna bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes. Done, we're gonna do the toothpick test. And so basically, none of the Leche Flan should get onto this. It looks like it's ready.